Hey, so it's Keith. We got chili recipe number 2. Welcome once again to my raw vegan kitchen. And this one is not necessarily, well, it's definitely not a raw vegan thing. So on the West Coast, particularly in the Southwest, we have a seasonal thing called hatch chilies. So these are fire roasted hatch chilies in the plastic bag there. And my health food store seasonally has organic hatch chilies, which has been a new thing in the last few years. Used to not be able to get them organic, or at least I couldn't come across them. And it's been a couple of years. I've always loved hatch chilies, and if you've had Mexican food on the West Coast, you know the taste of them. So this is actually what they look like when they're fresh. I get a whole ton of them and I freeze them. They're all in there. One of my favorite staples. I keep them for the year round. They're totally different when they're raw than when they're fire roasted. So this is the recipe. We're gonna make this one way chunkier than the last recipe, or thicker, I should say. So we want to get the tomatoes on the bottom so that hopefully we can get those to break up. And then we're gonna get these. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. All right. Then we are going to get the onions in there. You can see they're fire roasted. May not get the cilantro in there, hopefully. I mean, this is good enough without the cilantro. I'm going to add that. So here we go. And like I said, if you've had Mexican food on the West Coast, even though they sell this like canned, so you know this flavor, but there's nothing like it when it's fresh. And we are going to have to use the plunger. Yes, because we're trying to make it really thick. Okay, we gotta watch it here. We're gonna have chili. And look at that. That's pretty fantastic. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get some cilantro in there. Okay, so that amount, that's really, really, really pushing it. Yep, it is. And it's all right if it's chunky. Hopefully, well, with the plunger, I will get it in there. So here we go. Look at that. Okay, and so there you have it. That is the most fantastic chili that you will ever know. Once again, my trustful canning funnel, which is really essential for, especially when you're doing this one-handed guerrilla cell phone stuff, but especially just for practicality. Canning funnel, essential for the raw vegan kitchen. Look at that stuff. So tasty. There's like 2 non-raw vegan things that I recommend that you break the raw vegan rules for. And those are these roasted hatch chilies and toasted sesame oil. That right there. So anyways, I'm going to put the rest of that in after I turn the camera off because it's a little too thick. But you can see how awesome that is. Alright, it's Keith, Live Rockstar. Support me by supporting my music. Links in the drop down. raw vegan hatch thick chili sauce. All right, bye-bye. Love you. Namaste. Bread blessings.